GUGUGAGA. 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 GUGUGAGA.
I created this viral GUGUGAGA video using only free AI tools, just like we do in most of our videos, so here's exactly how I did it. To create videos like this, you can get the ultimate master prompt from the description, and you can also download the direct text file from our Telegram channel, the link is in the bio. Now, we'll use this master prompt. Simply copy the entire prompt, go to ChatGPT, paste it, and run it. You don't need to do anything else. ChatGPT will automatically generate image prompts and video prompts for all the scenes. In section 1, you'll get all the image prompts for scene 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on, and just below that, in section 2, you'll get the video prompts for those same scenes. If you want more scenes, you can simply ask ChatGPT to generate 5 or even 10 more. You can create unlimited scenes, and every single one will be different, so there's nothing to worry about. Now, let's start by generating the images. For generating images, we'll use the Google Flow website, and the best part is, you can do this with a free account, you don't have to pay anything. First, click on the Add Media icon, then click on Upload, and select the sample image. You can find this sample image in the description or in our Telegram channel. While the image is uploading, select the Nano Banana 2 model. If you have access to the Pro version, you can also choose Nano Banana Pro, otherwise just select whichever option is available for you. Now choose the aspect ratio, landscape or portrait, depending on the type of video you want to create. I recommend selecting 2 generations, so you can choose the best result. And yes, this process uses 0 credits, so you can create content here completely free. Now go back to ChatGPT, copy the first image prompt, paste it here, and click Generate. After a few seconds, your images will be ready. Now choose the one you like the most. For example, I'll select this one and download it in 2K upscaled quality. If that option is not available, you can download the original 1K version, which is still perfectly fine for Reels and YouTube Shorts. Now repeat the same process for all the scenes. Click on Add Media again, select the sample image, paste the next prompt, and generate the next image. Continue this process until all your scene images are ready. Once all your images are generated, now it's time to create the videos. For generating videos, go to the Grok AI website and open the Imagine section. Make sure the video option is selected. And set the aspect ratio to 9:16, since we are creating vertical videos. Now click on Add Media, and use the Animate Image option. Select your first scene image. Once the image is uploaded, copy the corresponding video prompt and paste it into the Type 2 Imagine section, then click on Generate. After a short wait, your video will be ready. Before downloading, make sure to upscale the video for better quality. Once it's done, download the video. Repeat the same process for all your scenes. Keep in mind that if you ever face generation limit, do not panic. We have already taught the hack to use Grok Unlimited and free. The link to the 50-second tutorial is in the description. After generating all your videos, simply import them into any video editing software, arrange them in order, and merge all the clips together, crop the watermark and export the video, and just like that, your video is ready. That's it for today's video. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching.